Yum, yum, yum. What to do with your harvest from your garden. Welcome back to Start With Coffee Adventures. I wanted to put out a video showing you what I do with my veggies from the garden. Now this has a lot more veggies in it than I actually got from my garden. The only thing from my garden that's in this vegetable saute is eggplants and green peppers, and the rest are store-bought veggies. I put a little bit of butter and olive oil in the pan, then I sauteed up, well, first I chopped everything up, then I sauteed up carrots, onions, celery, Brussels sprouts, and also things that I picked from my garden, which were my green peppers and my eggplants. And then I just seasoned to taste. I start out with the basics and put in salt and pepper. I added some garlic powder, some onion powder, and then some red pepper flakes because I wanted a little bit of a kick. Oh, and I also added a little bit of the green jalapeno sauce also to give it a kick. But you can do it whatever you want, whatever your normal seasonings that you like, that's what I would put into this vegetable stir fry. Did I happen to mention that this is also a low-carb meal? I also added some of my own homemade chicken stock. I normally don't even add the chicken stock. I just use olive oil and butter. This time I thought, let me just add a little bit of that so it just has a little bit more like juiciness to it. You can see the vegetables actually absorbed most of it, which is something I wasn't expecting, but I thought that's okay. They're absorbing the flavor of the chicken broth. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.